Hello everyone! One of the most effective ways to turn your passion into a business and monetize your skills is by selling ebooks online. Everyone has areas of expertise that can help you create ebooks. There are people out there who value your knowledge and want to learn more from you. So you can help them if you start selling ebooks of your own. And creating your own ebook is surprisingly simple. I will tell you how. But before that, let me tell you some benefits of writing an ebook. Number 1. Ebooks are delivered almost instantaneously. You can purchase, download and start reading them within minutes without leaving your chair. Number 2. When you need certain information, you can get it immediately by downloading an ebook. Number 3. Many ebooks are sold nowadays with bonuses, which you usually do not get with a printed book. This adds value to your purchases. Number 4 is ebooks are very portable. You can carry a whole library of hundreds of books in your laptops, in your mobile, in notebook or any ebook reader without worrying about their weights. Number 5, with today's technology, you can read ebooks anywhere, on the bus, train, aeroplane or even while standing in a queue for something. Number 6, ebooks can show links for easy access to more information and related websites. Number 7, ebooks are searchable. You can easily search for any information in an ebook instead of turning pages after pages. Number 8, ebooks can be interactive and contain audios, videos, animations, which can enhance the message that the author is trying to convey to the readers. Number 9, fonts in ebooks can be resized, making it easier to read for people with disabilities. Number 10 is ebooks are very easy to sell and distribute. And many more benefits are there if you write an ebook. So now let's come to the point that how you can write an ebook. So here is the solution. For that we made an ebook with the name How You Can Write an Ebook in Just 7 Steps. It is totally free. Just visit the first link given in the description box of this video, fill your details and just download your ebook. Follow the step-by-step process for creating the ebook and you will create an awesome looking ebook in just few minutes without putting much efforts. The more ebooks you make, the more chances it will be to make more money. Now this is your call whether you are interested in creating passive income or not. So if you like the information and the video, then hit the like button and do share the video with the people who are interested in sharing their knowledge with others in form of an ebook. Keep growing just by smashing the subscribe button and tap into the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. This is Divya from Tegonity Product Reviews. See you soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.